Basically, Neer Dosa just needs two ingredients, that is rice and salt along with water. So here I've taken normal basmati rice, around 1 cup. I've completely washed it and soaked it for 4 to 5 hours minimum, and maximum you can do it overnight as well. And then just drain the water completely, wash it again, and just add 2.5 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of salt. If you do not have a stock of basmati rice, you can take any white rice. It will give you the same texture and the same taste. Thank you for watching my channel Dimples and Arabian Journey. So if you enjoy watching my videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also follow us in Flora and Aroma on Facebook.